Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing audio routing so YouTube can play into Virtual DJ. Install Virtual DJ and a virtual audio cable, then set your browser to output to that virtual cable. In Virtual DJ, create or enable a line input and assign it to a deck so it captures the virtual cable feed. Once done, test with a short YouTube clip to confirm Virtual DJ receives audio. This avoids diving into mapping before the stream exists. Now configure a deck to play the YouTube audio and prepare it for mixing. Assign the virtual cable input to a deck or aux channel and set the deck's input mode to line or external. Next, let Virtual DJ analyze the incoming audio, set the beat grid, and use tempo and sync to match any track you want to mix with. Make sure monitoring is routed to your headphones while the master stays on speakers, so you can cue and adjust without messing the live out. Finish by balancing and securing the mix for performance or recording. Adjust gain, EQ, and effects on the deck carrying YouTube audio, and confirm your master level is clean before recording or streaming. If you plan to stream, set Virtual DJ's output to your streaming software. If recording, use Virtual DJ's recorder. If audio drops or won't appear, check that your browser is still routed to the virtual cable. That Virtual DJ's deck input is selected, and that input gain isn't muted to eliminate common routing issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.